$10,000 from the Zimbabwe crew alongside TrenchTown Rock from London. $10,000. So that's from the Zimbabwe crew.
Many thanks, you know, the Zimbabwe crew.
Alongside TrenchTown Rock. $20,000 from Love from a Distance. From a distance.
Thanks.
Love from a
distance. Thanks for me, your pocket never empty. Me always pray for me.
Yeah. And then I will give thanks.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop the gun, lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Give me a level.
Young Kino, come on, son. Natish. Young Kino. You're on as a big belly boy. I eat too much chips. I eat too much chips, man. Belly I get big.
Mayonnaise are doing so.
Mayonnaise.
Too much.
See that?
Eat mayonnaise with anything.
Young Kino, too much chips with mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise and bread, mayonnaise and biscuit, mayonnaise and everything and mayonnaise.
Everything in my is in mayonnaise.
Tell them that I can get too fat.
Out of shape. I used to play football and can't hold them weight.
Yeah, manage.
Young Kino can't hold their weight. Down.
Once you kill him, then you take him. No family.
Kill him.
Just kill him.
More than 15 anymore. Yeah?
Atish,
How much you want?
come on that side there.
I want more than 15. For this? Check it, sir.
Esther, smile out there. She know out there?
No. They're in our house though.
Okay. Young Kino, belly mus. Yeah, big belly. I eat too much mayonnaise. I like Natish.
Alright.
I eat too much mayonnaise,
Peanut
man.
butter.
And peanut butter and beer bread. And I watch TV. After school work, you eat a lot. Good. Alright then, young Kino. I have $7,000 for you. It's not to buy beer mayonnaise. Yeah? It's not to buy mayonnaise. Because I beer mayonnaise me here around there eat. So I got $7,000 for you from Amber Awards. Yeah? $7,000 for you from Amber Awards.
Thank you, Amber Awards. Big up the donors, them keep on doing and do for my schoolmate and him auntie. I'm like wanna do same way. So after this we can go on and keep on donating. Thanks for that. Bless up.
Yeah, continue the good work, see you. Continue. And we have Natisha. Natisha, I got a donation for you as well. Because there's a group of a gentleman watching the program in the UK. And the man said, boy, I'm not lie. I have to go send that money for Natisha because the way she work. The man said the gratitude and love that. You know, the man go in and pocket and say, yo, hey, send it to Natisha for me straight away. You see me? Because the man them like, you know, a group of gentlemen I watch you and I say, yo, them like what I go on. So them known as the Zimbabwe crew in London, you see me? Alongside TrenchTown Rock. So this is $10,000 from the Zimbabwe crew alongside TrenchTown Rock from London. $10,000. So that's from the Zimbabwe crew.
Many thanks, you know, the Zimbabwe crew.
Alongside TrenchTown Rock.
My basket never run dry. My basket never empty. My Father God always guide and protect you.
Right, true.
Right, true. Someone might did it from the start and right now, or someone just a come on board. Big up all of the donors and the subscribers and the viewers.
Yeah.
One love, one team, dream team. Only real team.
Yeah, man. Big up yourself, man. You know, the gratitude. You know, everybody is very inspired by it, you know. Because you never have to come out and put in your work, and you still come out and you surprise there are a lot of people, you know. Just to say you come and put in your work. Yeah, you are one of many that will help everybody will come back and really put in the work, you know. So
you have to forget, you know.
Yeah.
You can't just get and just sit down, so.
True.
You have to give up back so forget.
Sure.
So the things.
See, because you understand gratitude, because you've been going through it for a long while, years, you know. And you never expect overcome.
Never expect it so soon. And who it was coming from.
Yeah.
I got the help and I'm very grateful, very thankful.
Yeah. So and with young Kino, you know, because the scholarship I get with the church is for the 5 years term. 5 year term. You know, so
you just have to keep up the good work.
Yeah.
That's every year them can pay it because I do have it.
Yeah, true.
50,000 is a lot. Fortunately, you got a 5-year scholarship from TrenchTown Church. Think of it.
Yeah.
And hopefully soon My daughter will be going to Excelsior Nursing School.
You see there? Good.
The same help from TrenchTown.
Okay. So that's great. Another great blessings again. Another great blessings. I will give thanks. It continue to flow, it not stopping, you know.
Cause she never. I wanted her to go and do the cooking for the meanwhile. May I try push her? She not going, so that means she's not interested in it.
Yeah, so she
so may I push her in the way she's interested in it.
In the nursing.
Hopefully, yes, in the nursing. Hopefully she get what she wants.
Alright.
In the future.
In the future. Alright then. That's how we can do. Hope and pray.
As I say, big up all of the donors there. Bablo Station. Love Base Station. Big up the church.
Yeah. Everybody, big up yourself. All donors.
Big up the brownie.
Yeah.
Yeah. Big up IT.
Every
Dream team and one team.
One team.
Big up Father God. I'm alone make it possible alongside with the dream team and the donors there.
Alright then, big up yourself, man, Natty, sure? Donna. Miss Donna. See you catch piece of the shade.
Yeah.
Cause the tree gonna leave you now. The tree run gonna leave you, Donna. But at least you still have shade inside the house. As you can see. I have veranda this I have shade. And you have shade on the back. And brokers them at work, so you're good.
Yeah, man.
You're good. Kids them alright and things.
Yeah.
You're right? Sure. Alright. And you have a young boy around there, you alright too?
Yeah. Next week Saturday and birthday.
Next week Saturday. See there. Birthday boy. How old are you gonna be? 14. See there. A big boy now, man. Big boy. And my friend over there, my pen. Oh, you run gone through, you see the camera. And you get shy now. To run gone then she get shy.
Yeah.
Yes, then I have donation towards your material. You know, we got 2 donations for you. From the Donna, you know. New Donna as well too. A lot of blessings seeing we're coming in. So we give thanks every time. So we have $13,000 from the lady from Cooper Street, live in the US. So that's 13,000 from the lady from Cooper Street.
Thanks to the lady from Cooper Street. Thanks for this donation towards the buildings. I hope your pocket never empty.
Yeah. And you also have love from a distance. From London. So far the love come from here from a distance. You got love from a distance towards the material. $20,000 from love from a distance. From a distance.
Thanks.
Love from
a distance. Thanks for me, your pocket never empty. I always pray for me.
Yeah. And then I will give thanks every time. Thank you so much, love from a distance. You know, it's a blessings. It's really a blessings. We give thanks every time. Because without honor, it would have been impossible. Yes. You know, also lady from Cooper Street, thank you so much. As you can see, the work continue for Donna. You know, I will kindly ask, you know, no matter how small it is, if we can continue to support Donna on this journey, for sharing our kids, to know that we just complete this project, to know that we can move on from here to the next. Because when you can see her living condition, and you can see where we're trying to get her from here. So we thank all that reach out so far, and who's about to reach out, you know, all the new viewers, all the new donors, you know, God bless you know. Thank you for supporting this program, and I hope the Almighty will continue touching us so we can continue to reach out to the needy in TrenchTown. You know, so we got Donna here.
Every day for all the donors, them all who start yet and all who start already.
A lot of prayers.
Yeah.
Yeah man, let's continue because we're gonna need the prayers, you know.
Yeah.
Because we have to ask sometime for what you need, you know, and we're gonna need the support, so we can ask for that in prayers.
Yes.
You know. We can get it So we give thanks every time for what we got so far. So at least the work can start, you know, as you can see the work continue. Foundation are big now for your wall to come up and everything. Yeah, so it's a blessings. So give thanks to our Donna. Donna, want to relax on the shade. And the man go and put in the hard work. Yeah?
See, I get grimy. You can't see it.
Smiley.
Smile and done. Eh? Where?
Smiley, smile a while.
Like this, if you don't see, never go.
Sure. What is?
You don't like your look on background, some background.
No man, a video. So a video. Nah, the baby dream. I got a donation for you from the Zimbabwe crew from London alongside TrenchTown Rock. So now 10,000 for you from the Zimbabwe crew.
And Zimbabwe crew.
Yeah.
Thanks very much for this appreciation. Thanks for showing your love and how much I care.
Alongside TrenchTown Rock.
TrenchTown Rock.
Yeah, from London, 10,000 counted.
Thanks again, I made a food basket never empty.
And big thanks TrenchTown Rock and the Zimbabwe crew from London. The Natisha go and dig out. Shovel, Natisha says shovel.
That shovel out.
Teach them, not teach them. Don't beat them, just teach them.
Man.
Yeah, Natisha put in the work.
Man,
Teach them, not teach them. Jack. Like the current for them. Pickaxe. A reach, not teach, a reach. So call them now, so pickaxe, not teach. Pickaxe. Teach shall go and run the shovel. Electrical tape, what you say you have?
Oh. Yeah, nice, we never take that. Hold it.
I was going to look for tape.
I think you can get them up. Right, go back somewhere, yeah?
if me not, nothing doesn't work, I have it in my face. Let it go my eye. Come down, yeah, there, come down. Hey, when you want there.
Where's Zaire? Go beard Zaire.
Oh, why do I give him room for come out? I must put my
Drop because
where's inside who's today?
Now go play here.
Who's my sister? What's inside today?
come call your name.
Donna,
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kira Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better day.